There are millions of NFTs available for purchase, and hundreds of new projects appear to be launched every day. The problem most people face is how to sort through all the noise to find the most promising NFT projects to follow and possibly invest in. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing the top 5 NFT projects that you can invest in for massive gains in 2022. Hey everybody, my name is Kyle and I run the Whiz channel where I teach you how to make money online in the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell. So whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you ever have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy. Just leave a comment down below. Now let's get into the video. There are presently 4 million assets on OpenSea, and there may be millions more on other platforms like Rarible, Foundation, Super Rare, NBA, Top Shot, and more. Given the scope and constant expansion of the NFT universe, it is realistic to assume that not all of these assets will rise in value. So then, what characteristics should you search for in a project? The trick is to look for an NFT project with utility and also one that has a great use case. Another important tip is to look at the team behind the NFT. Check for the NFT influencers and celebrities that back the project, and also look into the brands that partner with the project. Now let's look at the top 5 NFTs to invest in for massive profit in 2022. Number 1. Dribbly. Dribbly is a football manager game in which players from several galaxies compete for glory. You can earn money by staking, owning, or renting NFTs and letting your passion for football pay off. The basic goal of the game is to build a strong football squad and improve it while competing in division or cup matches. Dribbly allows users to own their own athlete stadiums and other relevant assets, all of which have real-world value. Dribbly also allows individuals absolute asset ownership and control by utilizing blockchain technology. A skilled team of business developers, game developers, and blockchain experts and football enthusiasts developed the project. The game features players with worldwide experience from organizations like UEFA, TopTal, and Hat-Trick. Dribbly is the first deflationary play-to-earn game. Unique burning and staking procedures, which are essential drivers of the game and supply chain. They are used to achieve deflation. Dribbly has empowered a number of ways to enable you to make up to $100 each day by doing what you enjoy. You can earn money by just playing and winning football games on a daily basis. You can even compete for trophies and earn even more cash. Win leagues, cups, or private leagues, celebrate with your supporters, and receive cash or brand new assets. Then you can decide if you want to keep or sell your assets to increase your profits. Finally, you can train individual players, improve their ratings, and sell them for a profit. Number 2. Flyfish Club. The Flyfish Club is the world's first and only private dining club for NFT members. Flyfish Club members will have access to 10,000 plus square foot private dining area in New York City. The basic Flyfish membership costs 2.5 ETH, while the Flyfish Omakase membership costs 4.25 ETH and includes the Omakase room. You can reserve a table for up to 8 non-token holding guests with a regular Flyfish membership. You can also book a table for the same number of guests with the Flyfish Omakase option, but you can only invite one visitor to the Omakase room. The benefit of being an NFT member is that you can lease or sell your membership at any time within the terms of your contract. Knowing Gary Vaynerchuk's previous enterprise, VeeFriends, the Flyfish membership is expected to grow in value over time. The Flyfish Club is totally sold out at the time of this video, but they plan to open additional sites and memberships as they grow. As a result, this is one to keep an eye on. Owners of Flyfish tokens can rent them out to others on a monthly basis. Leasing effectively transforms a semi-liquid asset with low near-term recurrent revenue prospects into a cash cow. Let's say you buy a Flyfish token for $4,000 and rent it out for $1,000 per month to executives or curious upmarket eaters. This would allow you to handle a token similarly to a home you own. Number 3. Doodles. Doodles are a set of 10,000 non-fungible tokens, made up of hundreds of unique aesthetic characteristics created by burnt toast. Skellies, cats, aliens, apes, and mascots are among the hand-drawn doodles. Hundreds of unusual heads, costumes, and hues from the artist's palette are also included in the Doodles collection. The Doodles team is committed to delivering on their promise of extending and increasing their brand. Through continuing ownership, a Doodle NFT holder may expect access to the latest products, merchandise, and even events. The ability to vote on community-driven features, future products, and events is one of the things that makes owning a Doodle so special. Doodle's complete roadmap is a joint effort between collectors and project architects or designers. Doodles also has a community bank known as the Doodles Bank, which serves as their treasury and will be utilized to fund future activities. The Doodles Bank currently has over $5 million in funds as of the time of this video. After launching their Space Doodles project, Doodles has seen the most unusual evolution in the NFT space. Space Doodles are your own personal spaceships. Each Space Doodle is created using over 200 audiovisual traits and is supported by statistics that represent your Doodle skill in the spaceship. Future Doodles experiences that bring surprise and delight to the wider NFT ecosystem will employ Space Doodles and their metrics. Number 4. Women Rise. Women Rise is a 10,000-piece series by Maliha Abidi, an international famous visual artist. The collection's purpose is to make the NFT area more inclusive and diversified by featuring more female characters and donating a portion of primary sales to organizers that promote gender equality, girls' education, and mental health in underserved communities. For almost 9 years, Abidi has been pushing for social justice through her art and publications. She's worked with a variety of organizations, including the United Nations and the Malala Fund, as well as Adobe and Google. Abidi's second book called Rise, Extraordinary Women of Color Who Changed the World launched on 4th November 2021 and has been included in giveaways for NFT collectors. The goal of this NFT project is to create a community of like-minded people, to give back to the community, and to bring in more women, also to contribute to the depiction of women in technology, blockchain, and NFT sphere so that current and future girls and women can see themselves represented. The women in the photographs are made up of 453 hand-drawn features in unique combinations. Some NFTs are rarer than others based on their qualities, like with most NFT character projects. The set contains 10 exceedingly rare NFT pictures of inspirational women from around the world. The NFT is currently sold out. However, more will be released as part of their Roadmap 2.0. Number 5. VeeFriends. Gary Vaynerchuk, the serial entrepreneur, created VeeFriends. Gary is the founder and chairman of VaynerX, as well as the CEO of VaynerMedia and owner of VeeFriends. VeeFriends has become one of the most prominent and unusual NFT collections on the market in less than a year. VeeFriends, which is linked to Gary Vaynerchuk's personal and business brand, debuted at a period when similar PFP profile picture NFTs like Bored Ape Yacht Club were just getting started. Simply explained, VeeFriends is a pass to Gary V's multi-day super conference, which is only open to VeeFriends token holders. VeeCon is the world's first NFT ticketed conference. VeeCon is a gathering of VeeFriends token holders who get together to form a community, share ideas, and learn together. Mini drops, book games, and large-scale Series 2 collection are all part of the VeeFriends brand, which started with a drop of 10,255 VeeFriends tokens. The initial VeeFriends collection has produced almost $160 million in sales volume through OpenSea. Gary Vee has also said that VeeFriends Series 1 was only the beginning since unveiling the first 10,255 VeeFriends. With the launch of book games in August 2021, the VeeFriends community got the first look at what he meant. The VeeFriends lineup was then increased against 2 months later with mini drops. This is a project that is growing rapidly, so you should get in as soon as you can. Which of these projects will you invest in? Let me know in the comments section. And that's it. This is the Wealth Whiz, and we upload new money-making videos every week, so please make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash that like button, and I will see you in the next video.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look